Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can put a VSCO link in Twitter bio. So that's a very simple thing to do. First, add your particular link or the link that you wanted to add into your clipboard, or to put it in simpler words, copy it. Then just open your Twitter profile, which you can do by tapping at your avatar over here, then going into profile. Next, tap at the edit profile button at the top right corner of the screen, and in here, among the profile details, you'll have a designated spot or designated field for your website, where you can paste the link like so, save the changes, and as you can see, that will be. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.